those of you who may remember my old videos, when I was doing some welding on the transit van, one of the neighbours had to lend me a welder because mine packed up. Now, what I've since found out, and it's took me all this time to find it out, is that there's nothing wrong with the feed speed. It was all down to this, the trigger. Inside of here is like a little disc, and it makes contact with two things, and it was offering a lot of resistance. What I will do is that I will show you how to strip that down in a few minutes, but for the time being we got some more MIG wire, so I'm going to load it up. Okay, so with the wire all loaded up, feed through there, and there he is. Right, so with that all fed through, we close that down, put that onto minimum, turn that feed up a little bit. Right. I want to do that, get this rubber thing and put it back on there, like it should be. Okay, put the glasses over there. Now let's get the, need to turn it on first. It's on weld already. So let's have a look. Right, we haven't quite got the speed right, tension right, as it were. So what we need to do is just put that on. Whoa, there's that. Turn the speed up a little bit more and see whether she'll feed. Seems to be part of the problem. She won't feed. Let's have a look. And for a freehand weld, that wasn't actually bad. So, now I don't know how much of that I'll have got, but anyway, that's the welder fixed. Okay. So we turn the speed down a little bit and we just see what happens here. And that looks about right for this thin shit. Yeah. And there we go. snip that end off. So we filled a hole there, we've done a bit of welding there, and we've got a really good weld. Hang on, focus. Yeah, a really good weld there. Whoops.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I think I've just set fire to my bench. Can't be 100% sure about that, but I think I just have. Let's have a look. Yep. Right, well, to be fair, it is a woodworking bench. And there's the underside of those two welds. So, that's all good to go. So, if you do have problems with one of these, okay, right, hang on, I'll nip and get the weeble. Right, so, stripping one of these down. Right, you need to make sure that you're focused on here.
Focused.
That just turns off. That separates. And then, flat bladed screwdriver. And that's it, that's your torch basically stripped down. Now, what basically the issue is that little disc. Yeah, it's that little disc. There's your two contacts. So if you did that with a screwdriver, this thing would run. Well, there's your two contacts, and that needs to make that connection. So, probe in there, probe on that side, push the trigger down, well, probe for a multimeter, push the trigger down and take a look at your ohms reading. It should read 0. If it doesn't read 0, it's your trigger. And then putting it back together, make sure you got that in. Slide that in there, manipulate that so it goes into the hole, push down, push up, and then get your, right, go down there, get this, and this fits on anyway. You've got two little lugs. One's there, maybe. It doesn't fit anyway. Oh, it should do. There, twist, that's it, your gun's up and running again. So, there we go. It's all as easy as that. Wish I could get that shroud off. But still. Right. So, you got MIG problems? Check the trigger first. If it won't run, won't feed, won't spark, check that first.